चलिए ठीक से बैठो। कहाँ पे बैठे हो और कैसे बैठे हो आप? Welcome back to your English class. Students, as you know, in the last class we discussed question answer from poem number 5, The Balloon Man. Okay. So in this class we are going to start our new story, new lesson from unit number 5. It is The Yellow Butterfly. The Yellow Butterfly. Open the book at page number 47.
Sir.
Number 47.
सर आज आपका ओरल टेस्ट होगा।
Page number 47. Open your book at page number 47. First of all, I will read the story. Please put a finger on each word. Understand the pronunciation of each word and try to read after me. Okay? But before that, I will request you all, please mute your devices. Nobody will disturb in between. Yes. Page number 47, lesson number 5, The Yellow Butterfly. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed to sat on a red rose. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer, closer, and still closer, but then off flew the butterfly. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water and off flew the butterfly. Where was it? Sonu looked up. He looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. It had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. He climbed up the tree. Up he climbed, but back it flew down from the tree. Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly from the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree, but he could not catch the butterfly. Sonu could not see it at all. He looked everywhere. At last, he saw the butterfly. There was a big spider's web in the peach tree. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. It looked sad as it tried to escape. It fluttered its wings. It twisted and turned, but it could not escape. The spider's web held it tight. Poor butterfly. In the middle of the web was a big spider, and it looked hungry. It wanted to catch the butterfly. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. Before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. It was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wing. Sonu loved the little butterfly, but it looked sad in Sonu's hand, so Sonu wanted to be happy. Go, said Sonu, fly away. He let the butterfly go. It sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree. and then sailed on the lotus leaf. It flew merrily from the flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. The butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden and happy and free once again. Okay, students. So this story is very interesting and very touching. As you can see here, if you understand while reading, then this story is very touching, very interesting. Okay, now from the list, I would like to call upon roll number 4 from class 3. Whose roll number is 4? Okay, Akshit Mahajan. Roll number 4,
Yes, sir.
Akshit Mahajan. Open your book at page number 47 and read the story, read the lesson from beginning.
Okay. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer, closer, and still closer. But then off flew the butterfly. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water and off flew the butterfly. Where was it? Sonu looked up. He looked down. Near the
Very,
wall was a
very
big
good,
tree.
very good, very good, Akshit. Now I would like to call upon roll number 4 from class 3rd is Avinash Meena. Avinash Meena. Okay, he is not responding. Now, students, I'm going to share you one screen. Okay, just take it out. Yes, here it is. As you can see on your screen. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So students, just read the story. It is given on page number 47. I am going to explain this story. I think you must have enjoyed following butterfly, following the puppies. Puppies means छोटे कुत्ते के जो पिल्ले होते हैं, बच्चे होते हैं, puppies. Okay. Also, you would like to follow. Also, I would like to follow. What, Bhavesh?
सर मैं कैट को देखता तो उसको फॉलो करता.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so like this way, here in this story, the child's name is Sonu.
को देख मैं उसको फॉलो करता. सर इसको लिखना है क्या?
मैंने कुछ लिखने के लिए नहीं बोला है विकास. लिखने में ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हो आप, है ना विकास? और लिखते भी ढंग से नहीं हो. मैंने सारी वर्कशीट आपकी चेक करी है. कोई भी बीच में बात नहीं करेगा. ओके, जब तक मैं आपसे कुछ पूछूं ना, तब तक कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा, बस सुनेंगे आप. ओके विकास, सिट प्रॉपरली. So in this story, the character of a child and the name of that child is Sonu. In this story, he wanted to catch the yellow butterfly, which was very beautiful, tender, yes, and lovely, attractive. So he wanted to catch that butterfly. So what happened there? Let us see. The yellow butterfly. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Yellow butterfly flew around. Flew means it is a past tense of fly. Fly, flew, flown. Okay? Yes. So this is the second form of fly. So one day a yellow butterfly flew around the Sonu's garden. सोनू का जो garden था, yes, the yellow butterfly flew around the Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly and he ran to catch it. He ran. Ran. It is also a second form of run. Run, ran, run. Okay. So when Sonu saw that yellow butterfly, that lovely butterfly, attractive butterfly, he ran towards the butterfly to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. As you can see in the picture, it is very beautiful butterfly and the red rose. The picture of red rose is given there. You can see the hand of Sonu is trying to catch that butterfly. But what happened? The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on red rose. वो कहाँ बैठा था butterfly? It sat on red rose. Sat. It is also a second form of seat. Okay, seat यानी बैठना, sat यानी बैठा. It sat on a red rose. Now I can catch it. What Sonu said? Yes, now I can catch it. Sonu said he walked slowly, slowly and very silently to catch the butterfly. Sonu tried to catch the butterfly so that he follow the butterfly. Vikas, Meena, you are on screen. Sit properly. Hold your hands. Vikas, Meena, hold your hands. Yes, like this. Vikas, Meena, I am talking with you. हाथ ऐसे बांध के रखो अपने. ऐसे समझते हो या नहीं समझ में आ रहा? All the students are watching to you. सारे बच्चे आपको देख रहे हैं. And it is this screen is being recorded. ये स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड हो रही है. तो ऐसे ही कुछ बिना वजह की हरकतें करते हुए रिकॉर्ड हो जाओगे आप और सारे देखेंगे, रावत भाटा के जो जितने भी लोग हैं. ठीक है? तो सीट प्रॉपरली. वो सब पूछेंगे हमें ये विकास मीना कौन है. So sit properly, everybody. So students, Sonu tried to catch that yellow butterfly, so he followed the butterfly when it sat on the red rose. After seeing that, Sonu said, "Now I can catch it. मैं पकड़ सकता हूँ. Now I can catch it," said Sonu, and he walked slowly, slowly, बहुत धीरे धीरे वो चला, and silently to catch the butterfly. बटरफ्लाई को कैच करने के लिए वो बहुत ही साइलेंटली, स्लोली चला. He came closer, past. He came closer and still closer. वो उस बटरफ्लाई के बहुत ही पास गया. And then off flew the butterfly. As you can see in the picture, the hand is too much closer to the butterfly to catch it, but suddenly the butterfly flew off. जैसे ही बटरफ्लाई ने सोनू का हाथ देखा, वैसे ही बटरफ्लाई वहां से उड़ गया. Where did the butterfly go? सोनू said to himself. सोनू ने अपने आप से कहा, Where did the butterfly go? ये बटरफ्लाई गया कहाँ? Let me see, let me check. Where is the butterfly? Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. Near the garden was a pond. उस गार्डन के साइड में क्या था? A pond. Pond means a small water body. A small water body यानी जो छोटा सा तालाब होता है. I think you must have seen. It just Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Arshi Ghosh, why are you representing your screen? Why are you sharing your screen here? Wait a minute, student. Arshi Ghosh done something wrong here. Yes. So let us begin. Where did the butterfly go? After following that butterfly closer and closer, when Sonu went closer and closer, still closer, but suddenly the butterfly flew off. After that, Sonu said, where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. Garden के पास में ही एक छोटा सा तालाब था. Pond means a water body, a small water body. In the pond was a white lotus. In the pond, there was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. And what is interesting thing there? Yes, in that pond, there was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. And they floated in the water. राउंड लीव्स, कमल जो होता है व्हाइट कलर का, उसके साइड में जो है वो क्या होते हैं? पत्ते होते हैं. एंड ऑल द व्हाइट लोटस विथ लीव्स, दे फ्लोटेड इन द वाटर. फ्लोटेड इन द वाटर मीन्स टू मूव स्लोली इन अ लिक्विड. टू मूव स्लोली इन अ लिक्विड. To move slowly in a liquid means float. Okay. So the butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. So after following, when Sonu tried to catch the butterfly flew off. And where he sat, he sailed on a floating leaf. और जो butterfly है, it sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water. As you can see in the next picture, the butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water, and what happened? When Sonu tried to catch it again, he went into the water of a pond. But what happened? The butterfly off flew again. Butterfly फिर से उड़ गया वहां से. Where was it? Where was it? Sonu looked up here and there. सोनू ने यहाँ वहां देखा. He tried to catch the yellow butterfly, but he could not do so. But वो butterfly को पकड़ नहीं पाया. Now he looked down here and there, up and down. Yes. Now Sonu looked up, he looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. Just near the wall there was a peach tree. Peach tree, peach, it is the name of a juicy fruit. Peach tree. Peach tree, it is the name of yellow and juicy fruit. Okay. Yes, so there was a peach tree. It had pink flowers. It had pink flowers. Listen, students, in this story, in this lesson, we are learning different names of color. हमें इस स्टोरी से बहुत सारे जो नाम है कलर से वो क्या हो रहे, हम पहचान रहे या हमें यहाँ पे पढ़ाई के लिए दिए हैं. Okay, so just underline those words. Which are the names of color? As you can see, this is pink. Before that, white. Before that, yellow. Okay, like this way. So, where was it? So looked up, he looked down. Near the wall, there was a peach tree and it had pink flowers. It had pink flowers. उस पेड़ पे pink flowers लगे हुए थे. The butterfly sat on pretty flower. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. Butterfly उस pink flower पे बैठ गए. Pretty means very beautiful. Pretty means very beautiful. Now Sonu thought that I can catch. Now I can catch. अब मैं पकड़ सकता हूँ. Aisha Siddhika, sit properly. Aisha Siddhika, sit properly. So I can catch you, shouted Sonu. Shouted or shout, cry loudly, जोर से चिल्लाना. He climbed up the tree. Climb means to go up, ऊपर जाना. So he climbed up the tree. उसने पेड़ पे जाना शुरू कर दिया और वो जा बैठा पेड़ पे. Up he climbed. पेड़ पे ऊपर तक गया वो. But what happened? Again, back it flew down from the tree. The butterfly off flew. Yes, but Sonu could not catch the yellow butterfly. Sonu jumped down too. When suddenly butterfly flew off, back it flew. After that, Sonu also jumped down to follow the yellow butterfly. He chased the butterfly. Chase. He chased the butterfly. Chase means to catch up. Chase means to catch up. He wanted to catch the butterfly, so he followed the yellow butterfly. He was following the yellow butterfly. So Sonu jumped down to the chase. He chased the butterfly from the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree. But he could not catch the butterfly. From where he followed the butterfly? From bed of rose or red rose, from to the lotus, up the peach tree, but he could not catch the butterfly. Let us discuss from the next page. As you can see, page number 48. As you can see in the picture, there is a cobweb. Spider's web, sorry. There is a spider's web, okay. So Sonu could not see it at all. After chasing the butterfly, in few seconds later, he could not see the butterfly at all. वो butterfly उसे कहीं पे नहीं दिखा. Where did the butterfly? He thought like that. वो सोचने लगा. सोचा. He looked everywhere. उसने हर तरफ देखा. He looked everywhere. यहाँ वहाँ देखा. At last, he saw the butterfly. At last, he saw the butterfly. Yes, at last he saw the butterfly, and there was a big spider's web in the peach tree. Oh my God! What did Sonu see? What did Sonu see? Sonu saw that there is a big spider web in the peach tree, and the butterfly was caught in that spider's web. Oh my God! Now, what should I do? What should I do? Yes, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? I think I should help the butterfly. Now let us see what will happen here. So it looked sad as it tried to escape. जैसे उसने देखा, सोनू ने देखा that in the spider's web the butterfly caught itself. So it looked so sad as it tried to escape. Escape means to run away. The butterfly was trying to escape from the spider's web, but it fluttered its wings. वो जोर से अपने पंख जो है, विंग्स जो है, वो फ्लटर्ड कर रहा था, जोर से हिला रहा था अपने विंग्स. It, but it could not escape. उसने बहुत कोशिश की बटरफ्लाई ने, but it could not escape. The spider's web held it tightly. The spider's web held it tightly. I think you must have seen in your house. Okay? In the spider's web, usually flies, mosquitoes, cockroaches.
एक
Okay?
हनी भी
And
स्पाइडर की वेब में
Yes, I think you must have. Mosquitoes, cockroaches are generally trapped. Okay. So like this way, here in this spider's web, the butterfly also trapped. He tried very hard. He fluttered its wings. It twisted and turned, but it could not escape itself or himself from the spider's web. The spider's web held it tightly. स्पाइडर्स वेब में वो इतना टाइटली पैक हुआ था, ट्रैप हुआ था, ही कुड नॉट एस्केप, वो अपने आप को छुड़ा नहीं पा रहा था. नाउ पुअर बटरफ्लाई, in the middle of the wave was a big spider. As you can see in the picture, at the middle or in the middle of the wave there was a big spider who is watching, who was watching that butterfly, and that spider also wanted to catch it because it looked so hungry. क्योंकि वो स्पाइडर भी ऐसा लग रहा था कि हंग्री है. हंग्री मीन्स टू लुक फॉर फूड, खाना देखना, खाना खाना खाने की इच्छा होना, हंग्री. So it looked hungry, so he wanted to catch the butterfly. It wanted to catch the butterfly and eat early. So closer and closer crawled the black spider. धीरे धीरे वो ब्लैक स्पाइडर जो है वो बटरफ्लाई के पास आने लगा. उंजला, म्यूट योर माइक.
माइक बंद कर.
Unjala, mute your mic. Okay. So poor butterfly, in the middle of the wave there was a spider and it looked so hungry. It wanted to catch the butterfly and eat. So closer and closer crawled the black spider. वो black spider जो है वो butterfly के पास आने लगा. As you can see in the picture on page number 48. So now what should I do? Before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. It was so pretty. Before the hungry spider could grab it, जब तक वो स्पाइडर उस बटरफ्लाई को पकड़ ना ले उससे पहले सोनू रैन, सोनू बहुत जोर से भागा, तेजी के साथ भागा, एंड ही कॉट द बटरफ्लाई. एंड व्हाट ही सॉ, he saw that the butterfly was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. Now brown, it is also a name of a color. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. Sonu loved the little butterfly, but it looked sad in Sonu's hand. Sonu wanted to be happy. Sonu wanted it to be happy. सोनू के हाथ में वो दुखी लग रहा था बटरफ्लाई. Yes, we all know that the butterfly was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings, but it looked so sad in the Sonu's hand. Sonu also wanted it to be happy. Yes. So what Sonu did there? Sonu said to the butterfly, "Go." Said Sonu, "Jao. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your freedom. Fly away. उड़ जाओ हाथ से." He let the butterfly go. It sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree and then sailed on a lotus leaf. It flew merrily. Merrily means happily. It flew merrily from flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. The butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. Now, from this story, at last we can see that Sonu's heart is very kind. It means सोनू जो था वो बहुत ही काइंड था, दयालु था. इशिता, listen carefully.
दयालु था वो.
Yes. So we should also kind towards the animals, towards others. We should, as Usually or generally we should treat the others with kindness. हमें दूसरों से हमेशा kindness से क्या करना चाहिए? दयालु रहना चाहिए. दयालु हमें रहना चाहिए, लोगों को ट्रीट करना चाहिए. ठीक है? Understood? We should kind to others. This lesson we got from this story. Okay, students? So I hope you all have understood this. So in the next class, we will discuss, we will write
this
words
poem.
and their meanings. Ishita, what happened, Ishita? Okay, in the next class, we will discuss, we will write the new words from the story. We will write the word meaning in the next class.
Yes,
So it's bye for now. That's it for today.
bye.